Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this series, and today is our last episode of Travel with Bugs Season 1. We have been to Etretat, Vienna, Salzkammergut, Hallstatt, Bad Ischl and Valencia. And today I am taking you to Gran Canaria. So as you have seen in my last episode, we were in Valencia, from where we took a flight to Canaria. Gran Canaria is one of Spain's Canary Islands off northwestern Africa. It is known for its black lava and white sand beaches. Now you have a range of options while choosing where to stay, or you can even switch accommodations and enjoy different corners of this island if you have a week or so. We had shortlisted Maspalomas, Telde, La Palmas and Puerto Rico for their beach view, and we finalized on La Palmas and Telde, both because of different reasons though. So let's first go to Telde. We chose Telde as we had reached there pretty late, hence we booked an Airbnb close to the airport for the night. Our plan was to just leave for La Palmas the next day, but decided to go for a stroll before checking out and found ourselves on this serene pathway alongside this beautiful beach. Sometimes it feels good to take off time and just not have any plans, any agenda for the day. Here's a look at the Airbnb that we had stayed in for the night in Telde. Now there is one thing about Airbnb which is very exciting, apart from the houses of course. It's the way we get the keys. It's like a game, the escape game. Except for the fact that we would be outside the house on the streets if we don't figure it out. So we have to find the hidden safe, then punch in the secret code, and then poof, magically the key appears. I remember we were trying the code for a few minutes before we realized that we were punching the code in the wrong safe. So if any one of you have had such experiences, do share it with us in the comments section below. And now it's time for us to go to La Palmas. We chose this location because this was closer to the carnival event that we wanted to attend. The one we attended was especially for kids with performances from kids' movies. The theme this year was fairy tales, legends and fables. We missed seeing the events for adults with murgas and drag queens etc. as they were scheduled post our return date. Here's a glimpse of the event for you.
El amor no es envidioso ni orgulloso. El amor no es egoísta, no guarda rencor. El amor todo lo disculpa, todo lo cree. Todo lo espera, todo lo soporta. El amor es amor.
¡Qué viejo,
Viva el amor, siente,
We loved the performances, and you can also watch these full performances on YouTube channel. Our only plan here apart from the carnival was to stroll alongside the beach and relax in our beautiful apartment. And trust me, at such locations it feels awesome to do nothing but just walk around without any plan. While strolling through this place, we came across an aquarium, and since we had visited one in Valencia as well, so we were not sure if we should go in here. But then, when we checked its pictures online, it intrigued us further, and tada! Here we go! The first thing you come across when you enter the aquarium is this cenote. These are freshwater sinkholes that are a result of limestone erosion, and this is a Mexican habitat which is replicated here. From here, we enter the jungle zone. So this aquarium has 3 zones. This is the jungle zone, then we will enter into a reef and a beach zone, and then comes at the end the deep ocean zone. The ecosystem that has been created inside is simply amazing. You will feel as if you have entered into some different place altogether. Hope you get an idea from the pictures that you see. I would definitely recommend this aquarium. I have used few pictures from their official website as well to give you a better idea of how the aquarium looks exactly from inside. This is a replica of the Singhi Nature Reserve in Madagascar. This area inhabits fishes from rivers of African continent. This here is a replica of baobab. Moving forward, you will cross the Mississippi River replica as you get to watch more species while crossing this river. This here is the Nemo Kids section. Kids can crawl inside the tunnel to observe different colored fish living in the coral reefs from a very close range. This is the reef area where we can travel up and down a spiral walkway passing this cylinder tank with over 400 liters of water. This coral reef will definitely leave you dazzled. It has a huge number of species from Atlantic stingrays to leopard eels and much more. This is the section for jellyfish. I was truly mesmerized by their beauty. Aren't you too? I just could not move my feet from this section. And now it's time to visit the deep ocean zone. This has the largest tank in the aquarium. You can sit here for as long as you want and enjoy this mesmerizing view. And now it's time to show you the apartment from where we had this beautiful view. It was a great feeling to sleep amidst the sound of waves and waking up to this view in the morning. That brings us to the end of this episode and end of first season of Travel with Bugs. Our Pooh loved traveling with us. And if you also loved it, then do share the video. Thank you so much for joining me on these beautiful locations. Don't forget to comment about which of the 5 locations did you like the best. I will be coming soon with a new season and new locations. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.